There are many legends and tales surrounding this island. One tells the story of Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, a mischievous yet powerful figure from the Chinese mythology. According to the legend, Sun Wukong was imprisoned beneath Lantau Island after causing havoc in the heavenly realm. The legend suggests that the tremors and the other unexplained phenomena on this island are a result of the Monkey King's restless spirit trapped within the mountains. There are many great reasons to visit Hong Kong, and this is one of them.
Hong Kong!
Welcome to Lantau Island.
I got facts over tracks, this and that.
Amazing.
I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay and that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag.